Hello everyone, I'm Archana, a professional image consultant, a soft skills trainer, a behavioral coach, a child psychologist, an NLP practitioner, a mentor, and a stylist. I believe in understanding and implementing on myself before imparting it to someone else. With over 19 years of professional experience in guiding executives, business leaders, frontline teams, and even working one-on-one with potentials from every walk of life, I've always tried to change lives for the better. Since 2017, I have my own brand known as Balance, Be Your Own Brand. The aim is to assist you to find and showcase your best version through your image and to strengthen the strengths of your personality. I believe that in order to grow and succeed in any aspect of your personal, professional, or social life, you need to have a purpose, commitment, discipline, and dedication. We assist you to use your strengths and talents to reach your greatest potential. I am a staunch believer that you are your own brand. However, if you don't create it, someone else will. So stay positive, stay authentic, refine your image, build your insight, and develop skills to achieve your personal and professional best with advantageous, radical, careerist, helpful, assertive, nurturient, and ardent me.
Okay, how are you guys? Hope sabhi अच्छे होंगे. I am again back with my partner Archana for this today's session. And hi, how are you? Okay, you're fine. That's okay. So today we are going to have the session on class 10th and our whole life. So this was the topic which we have selected, and hope those who are listening now on Zoom, they will get benefited. Those who are listening on Facebook, they will also get benefited. And they are also free to ask as many as questions they want on Facebook as well as Zoom. In meantime, I will love to play again what I was playing just before the start of my talk. Okay, now once last time.
Yeah, that is. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I played 4 times because many people feel that 3 time is not good. The number 13, 3, this prime number is not very good. So I had played for 4 times. Now, before start of this session, as I suggested that today's topic was on is on class 10th and whole life. And might हम सब में से बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जिनका कुछ अपना हॉबी रहा हो and they are into different हुनर. शायद जिनकी अपनी हॉबी रही हो and they had developed it as their own हुनर and they are working into that field. कुछ लोग नहीं भी कर पाए हो, कुछ लोग कर भी पाए हो, that's a different case. But जिन्होंने नहीं किया, they are also good. जिन्होंने किया, वो सही है, ब्रिलियंट है भाई, आप अपनी जिंदगी में अपने हुनर के साथ जी रहे हो.
No, sir.
So with this short message, I will start that why we have selected this topic. So we have selected this topic because in our life हमने बहुत बार सुना है कि यार 10th में अगर ऐसा करता तो आज ये नहीं होता, या नहीं तो हमने कई बार हम खुद में सोचते हैं कि 10th में अगर हम 10th के बाद वो जो 2 महीने होते हैं where you are going to have the admissions for +1 and +2, अगर वो वाइटल टाइम पे अगर हमने सही डिसीजंस लिए होते तो शायद आज ऐसा नहीं होता. बहुत लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं. तो इज दिस ट्रू और इज दिस करेक्ट? सेकंड, माइट बहुत लोग लकी होंगे कि उनको एक करियर गाइडेंस के लिए चाहे उन्हें क्या सेलेक्ट करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, या मींस द अमाउंट ऑफ फ्रीडम और द डिग्री ऑफ द फ्रीडम व्हिच दे हैव इन देयर सिलेक्शन, वो उनके करियर गोल से, करियर पाथ से अलाइन किया हो. बहुत ऐसे होंगे जिनका नहीं किया. सो बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं व्हेन द टाइम स्टार्ट्स बैड, तो वी स्टार्ट रिग्रेटिंग, और अपने हर पास्ट में हम उसको ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो जो पास्ट में सबसे पास्ट में फॉर एकेडमिक क्वालिफिकेशन इज स्टैंडर्ड 10. इसके बाद इसके पीछे हम नहीं जाते कि हम 8 में क्यों खराब कर गए या 7th में क्यों खराब कर गए, बट 10th तक जरूर जाते हैं. So before moving ahead and before starting our session with Archana, I will love to show one video. Might it will give you a better understanding ki what the theme of this context and this particular webinar is. So I will request everyone to see this video and understand. And if you have any issue, if you have any question, or aap kya samajh rahe ho, you can put it into chat box where I can find, where I can also, while during the discussion, can talk to Archana or discuss with Archana. Thanks. So hope you have understood the video. सबके लिए अपना अपना एक theme होगा. Might they have realized with this video and the theme. So I will request now my partner Archana to come on a screen on video so that we can discuss and how we are going to take this session with your support, जो भी सुन रहे हैं हमें. So before starting of the session, Archana, I would request everyone that what they realized by viewing this video. आपने इस वीडियो को देखा तो आपको क्या समझ में आया? एक वर्ड में आप इसको आंसर करो. 15 लोग मतलब near about I expect more than 10 to 15 answers from it. So you have
Let's
only
keep it
45 seconds. Just answer that what you understood from this video and the topic. एक word में आप आंसर दो. Just one word answer. कुछ तो आप सोचो. Just you write it in the chat box. You write it. वीरेंद्र सिंह ने लिखा innovation. From Bengal, Bangla लिखा हुआ है. He or she wrote creative. Okay. और बाकी लोग बस गुड इवनिंग गुड इवनिंग गुड इवनिंग गुड इवनिंग ही रह गए. नेक्स्ट आंसर, जस्ट आंसर इट. सॉल्यूशन. आई एम फ्रॉम असम सर. ओके, दैट वाज असमी. दैट्स एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी, मैंने बंगला बोल दिया. इट वाज सॉरी. सो मतलब और बाकियों को शायद वो वीडियो कॉम्प्लेक्स लगा क्या? मुझे लगा कि इट्स ओके. बाकी मतलब इट विल बी अ गुड वीडियो टू अंडरस्टैंड. एनी हाउ, सो हम लोग इस चीज में आगे बात करेंगे. We will talk further and how this video is going to relate with this discussion. So Archana, first tell me what you understood with this particular topic and with what values you have come up today on this session. So here you go, Archana.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Hope you're all doing great. And this particular webinar, we are going to come out with some constructive solutions. And basically, this was designed because ये जो आपने जैसे बोला कि we all have regrets. शायद 10th में थोड़े अच्छे नंबर आए होते तो I would have taken this line. शायद हमने ऐसे किया होता तो had I used my own mind, what was my interest, I would have been more happy. These subjects don't make me feel happy, or this does not make me go to a path where I really want to go. So these kind of questions always come into minds of students. One. Secondly, also parents. There was a time when there were only 3 streams and we knew उन 3 streams से हमें कहाँ पहुँचना है. So now that the times have changed, there are much more broader horizons. At the same time, there are so many things that we can do with that structure, wherein if we give that class 10th the important barrier, rather than thinking of it as a barrier, take it as a stepping stone towards taking your life to a life that you want. Now I understand काफी बच्चे सोचते हैं I don't even know कि हमें चाहिए क्या 10th के बाद. I walked through the same journey. I didn't know what subjects to take. I didn't know what line to go. I didn't know what was it. जो बाहर से लोग बोलते थे, जो पेरेंट्स बोलते थे, जो सोशल सोसाइटी के लोग बोलते थे, this is what it is. तो उन चीजों पे we took the decision. However, the entire mainstream to design this particular topic was to give students as well as parents as well as the society the enlightenment that there is a structure beyond the structure that they think that they know.
Okay, so Archana, on Facebook, Miss Achal Raj Srivastava has mentioned it as problem solving. Anyone has mentioned it as creative. It has innovation. The video, I'm talking about the video.
Right.
So, might it will help you to understand that what the audience perception is related to that video and what we are going to talk on this in this particular session. So how I
totally agree with each one of you who have written anything, because see, again, that video was a subjective video with which a person could understand anything. For me, it was like a stepping stone wherein a child could see different dimensions of doing a certain thing. सोचो कि एक बच्चे को जब हम ग्लास देते हैं, वो उस ग्लास को एक ग्लास की तरह नहीं देखकर उसको एक ढक्कन की तरह भी यूज कर सकता है, एक टॉय की तरह भी यूज कर सकता है. तो द क्रिएटिविटी दैट इज इन अस, दैट एज ह्यूमंस वी हैव, कई बार हम बाहरी दुनिया से चीजें सुन के उसको उस तरीके से यूज करते हैं. हाउएवर देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज टू परसीव इट एंड एवरीबडी हैज परसीव्ड द वीडियो दैट यू हैव शोन डिफरेंटली. सो डेफिनेटली इट्स एन एनलाइटनमेंट.
Yes. So let's start with the topic. आपने जब 10th दिया था, what were your challenges?
Oh, my challenges were vast. Believe me when I say this today, and to all the students, if you are in majority today hearing this, Believe me, I was the one who was totally confused what to do. Because ठीक है, स्कूल जाते थे, ये करते थे, एग्जाम्स लिख दिया, बट व्हाट टू डू आफ्टर 10th डिडंट नो. हाउएवर द स्ट्रक्चर वाज लाइक दैट कि अगर आप इंटेलिजेंट हो तो आपको साइंस लेना चाहिए. अगर आपके नंबर अच्छे आए हैं तो साइंस इज द ओनली लाइन दैट यू शुड टेक, एंड people will also look at you differently if you take science. However, commerce was again one step down कि चलो 80s में नहीं 70s में आए हैं तो कॉमर्स, अगर उससे भी कम आए हैं तो आर्ट्स. एंड बिलीव मी, आई हैड अ जर्नी wherein I actually went and fought with the principal that I wanted to take science. Thank God my dad had seen some quality in me that was not of a science student, and he asked the principal, come what may, you don't have to give us science. So I had taken up arts, and I really did a good decision by doing so.
Great. And have you ever regretted that आपने 10th में कुछ ना कुछ, मतलब ये चीज अगर होता तो वो होता, ऐसा होता तो वैसा होता, ऐसा कभी आपने रिग्रेट किया?
मैं एक चीज सोचती हूँ, लाइक एज स्टूडेंट्स देन आई फेल्ट कि जो गाइडेंस एक तरीके से मिलनी चाहिए थी जिसमें मुझे लगता कि probably I have interest in this particular field, that was missing. I went to school with the aim कि जाके ये सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने हैं, इन सब्जेक्ट में मार्क्स आएंगे और वो सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स हमें घर पे दिखाने. So that the complete structure of the education was like that. Rather than feeling happy about a particular subject, it was more of proving to the parents or to the people around that, I am gaining, or it was about the marks. However, I didn't realize in the entire journey which was that particular subject which made me happy, which was the subject which I was looking up for. तो वो एक चीज मिसिंग थी wherein I felt कि अगर उस चीज को थोड़ा सा हमने emphasis दिया होता, I would have come up with 2 subjects for sure कि वो मुझे अच्छे लगते थे.
Okay. So might अच्छा, इसमें जितने how many audience, the audience which who are listening to us, आप just pen it down that which subject you were looking for and which subject you were asked to opt by your parents. मतलब आपको मन था कॉमर्स लेने का और आपको साइंस लेना पड़ा, आपको मन था साइंस लेने का, आपको आर्ट्स लेना पड़ा, आपको मन था कुछ और लेने का, आपको ये लेना पड़ा. तो मुझे भी ये पता चलेगा कि at that time what was the real scenario. So I will request everyone who are present in this discussion can pen it down that आपका मन क्या था या आपने क्या लिया, was it aligned? Was it aligned?
Was it aligned with your life now? Even if the elders was here right now, just go back to your 10th class and think, were you in alignment with your goals of your life? Whatever subjects that you took, is it helping you today with whatever decision that you took?
Yeah, correct. Guys, pen it down. I don't know what. अब तो शर्माने की कोई बात ही नहीं है, अब तो लाइफ निकल गया.
Okay, Jayashree says it was my decision. Perfect. That's really nice, Jayashree.
Guys on the Facebook, they can also revert it back. Anyways, Archana, how you feel as a student, that how much pressure this at your time 10th was having and now in this present scenario the 10th is having? मतलब क्लास 10th का कितना प्रेशर होता है, आपके समय कितना प्रेशर हुआ करता था, and present days how the pressure has changed. Then also students are crumbling on selecting the topics and syllabus.
See, the only thing that I felt that as a 10th standard student way back in 1992, I didn't know was that whichever subject was the subject that I had the most concentration on was the subject I should have taken after my class 10th. So that particular notion wherein I didn't know कि मुझे concentration science में ज़्यादा थी, I was more inclined towards the art stream, that was history, geography and economics, or was it commerce, mathematics, accounts or something. एक basic वो था कि चलो maths में I had a little fear, so I knew that maths was something that I'm going to opt out. However, believe me, when I say opt out, it did not leave me till my MBA. I did maths in MBA, and it was like the more you run from a subject, the more it comes to you. However, I realized over the period of journey that today children are much more adaptable to knowing things. हमारे time में तो सोचो YouTube भी नहीं होता था wherein we could actually join at that particular page and see कि what should be the stream that I should opt for or what are the options. There was nothing like that. All we could hear was from our parents or from our family members or from the societal people who would give us guidance कि बेटा science लेना चाहिए या humanities लेना चाहिए या commerce लेना चाहिए. However, 80% of the people always told us to take science. So एक वो mindset था, definitely था, कि science was, people will look differently. However, you know, my entire journey from then till now, I always tell students, take the subject in which you have a concentration. And that could be any subject today, because aaj, there are many opportunities, there are many options, and with the same subject stream, if you are bang on with what you want to do in life, you can actually do so much. So yes, depends
Does
on how you see it.
and does anywhere this class 10th creates an issue for your further lifestyle, for your future, for your next for your next decade? Means class 10 is one first decade, then the next decade. Does it create
Right.
any value for that? And if you had not used that value properly, so you
Hmm.
have a
कितने बच्चे होते हैं मुझे जो सुन रहे हैं और जो फेसबुक पे भी सुन रहे हैं, जस्ट टेल मी हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस जो सोचते हैं कि 10th के बाद मुझे ये सब्जेक्ट लेना है, और 10th 11th में जाके हाफ वे थ्रू यू फील, यार आई थिंक आई शुड चेंज द सब्जेक्ट्स. हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस फील? रेज योर हैंड्स.
इस पे तो बच्चे ही कम
Because
है.
you feel somewhere down the, okay, anyway, whoever is listening and will listen, just ask yourself this question from the bottom of your heart, that how many of us felt that in class 11th we wanted to change either the subjects or the stream, or we wanted to just kind of rethink the whole thing that we had done. See Vivek, what happens is 10th का जो pressure होता है वो बहुत strong होता है, because one, people think that board exams हैं. अगेन बोर्ड एग्जाम्स क्या है? वही एग्जाम्स हैं, वही सब्जेक्ट्स आप लिख रहे हो जो आपको अच्छे लगते हैं, जिनमें आपकी कंसंट्रेशन है. द ओनली थिंग इज दोज एग्जाम्स आर नॉट conducted in your school. The people who are checking it are not your teachers. However, I feel it is good, because वो जो एक favoritism हो जाता है कई बार while you're checking the papers, आप जब unbiased platform या unjudgmental platform पे आपके papers check होते हैं, you are much more at ease. One. Secondly, there has to be no scare. Thirdly, pressure इसलिए भी होता है because if you are able to decide the right stream in your class 10th, your complete life is aligned, because आपकी 11th or 12th gets focused, and after 10th or 11th and 12th, you know what subjects you need to take in the college and how you need to streamline it for the betterment of your own life. Because eventually what it is, that I want to be happy in whatever profession I am going to step into. So if your profession stepping is at the right place at the right time with the right subjects and with the right decisions, then you are good to go. Then you know that, okay, how many of us have heard, you know, I feel I'm really happy with what I'm doing. And some people say, you know, I think I need to kind of switch things. I need to try more. I need to dig in more, and I think I'm still looking for my purpose. That statement says that probably your class 10th decisions, if were differently, if you had realized what were your strengths, what were your weaknesses, what were your abilities, it would have been much more easier. So
Is this
yes, class 10th definitely is a milestone.
and is this true? Because see, while when you are in doing engineering, in engineering you have many papers, and what happened once you pass plus one plus two, so you don't know about computer science, you don't know about mechanical engineering, you don't know about electrical, you don't know about metallurgy, any core engineering branch or non-core branch which you are going to opt or being provided to at the during admission. In
Right.
present scenario, there are only two things. The parents only think that my ward or my son is going to have a nice job, white collar job, or else he can go for higher studies, means his life is set and he
Hmm.
can become engineer. I'm talking in engineering perspective. Now what
Right.
happens, if you are very much bold, if you are very bold and very progressive from your standard 10th itself, where you have taken decision post 10th that yes, I will take this paper, I won't take commerce, I won't take science, I will take arts itself. So if you are very strong at that time in 10th, that strongship can be seen in few students who are doing engineering with their choice, because in engineering the candidates are being trapped in means you don't know which branch you are going to take. Only on the sake of institute or on the sake of job we are taking the branch, any of the
Right.
branch. But once you are taking the branch and started studying the branch, you feel that, oh, I have done certain mistake, but anyhow you have to pass it, and that becomes your life destiny. So that's what I'm saying, is not 10th is the path,
Hmm.
or is not the 10th is the right moment where these things should be incorporated in an individual to understand that yes, boss, this is my life and I need to think properly. Though I'm not saying that you should revolt against your seniors or parents, but yes, you can put a proper justification on what you want.
See, again, we've all watched Three Idiots, right? We know that each one of us has abilities. We all have skills. We all have that thing कि अगर हमें कोई push करके हमें challenge करे, we will do things which are beyond our capabilities. But what happens is we all have innate talent. We all have something in us which we possess, which is our uniqueness, which is our own skills. जब हम अपनी skills को polish करके आगे लाते हैं, then definitely the fruit is going to be much more better. However, where I don't say that अगर 10th में number अच्छे नहीं आते तो there cannot be much more prospects. Definitely, 10th is a wake-up call. Let's take it like that. 10th is a call wherein if you have not even got the desired percentage that you've been looking for, at that particular point, it is a self-reflection time wherein you need to understand what is my weakness, what is my strength, what are my work upon areas in my subjects, which subjects help me, which subjects I can't do better. So there is a method which can help children now, which is called a personality assessment test, hota hai, psychometric test, through which they can actually, if they are not able to, if the parents are not able to help, there is a process through which we can help them analyze what is good and what is going to work best for them in the future. So yes, there are a lot of ways. So push yourself in a direction where you feel that your skills and your attitude and your aptitude is going to give you results, and definitely in the end will give you a life that you want, which should be happy, which should be content, but at the same time it should be monetarily balanced.
Okay, don't you feel these days, I can see after 10th also you have lot many online courses, lot many online things.
Right.
Now is this not creating a confusion among the youngsters, that means what they have to opt? Either they have to opt journalism, or either they have to opt something, any topic which will let them grow in just say 2 to 3 years, and they can start promoting self on videos and XYZ. What they are finding these days, the things which we are doing, they feel that they can do it at the same age, at the very particular time, particular moment, rather doing the higher studies.
Again, I have a take on this. See, everybody has their own thought process on this, whereas I feel that having a strong base of education is very, very important. And when I say that, definitely there are a lot of short courses, there are a lot of it through internet that you can learn, and you can get the degrees and the certifications. But believe me when I say this, certifications and degrees are important. However, a base structure, which is a structure that is maintained, जिसमें एक streamlined education चलती है, जिसमें आप एक तरीके से अपना education पूरा करते हैं, that is a different thing, and that is something that one should not miss out. Now, when I talk about these 3 streams that you're talking about, each stream makes you land up to a career which you have desired for. Like for say example, I took up humanities. Okay. Now I did economic honors in my college. After that, I did MBA. After that, I started my own firm. So now when you actually see the base, even to do management, which people think कि चलो MBA क्यों करना है? What is MBA? Tell me. MBA is management. Even if you are not working with the corporates, even when you are not working with anybody like a firm and you have your own business, अपने business को भी तो manage करने के लिए एक management technique होनी चाहिए, right? So management को management करने के लिए, अपनी business को manage करने के लिए भी you need to have a proper structure of education, because we are not talking about 5 years, we are not talking about 10 years. We are talking about the entire structure of your life, which is based on a structure that is called education, which has to be so strong in your hand कि कल को सोचो pandemic जैसी situation भी आए तो हम घर में बैठ के भी promote कर सकें अपने आप को. So वो जब चीजें हमें एक बेस के साथ मिलती हैं, जब मैथमेटिक्स का बेस स्ट्रांग नहीं होता तो मैथमेटिक्स डिफिकल्ट लगती है, राइट? उसी तरीके से व्हेन एजुकेशन बेस इज नॉट स्ट्रांग, तब लाइफ में हर्डल्स आते हैं, एंड देन टू इवन टेक अ सेकंड लीप टू हैव अ डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ बिजनेस or a different kind of a stream that you would want to take becomes difficult because you don't know how to do it. However, if you have education in hand, it is done in a proper way, then definitely education never goes out of style.
Correct. How much
So,
you will rate
yes.
that your 10th base foundation is helping you at particular moment right now? The age which
I
you
believe I believe that the 10th foundation really has helped me to shape the life that I had. However, I didn't have any people to guide me, but the little guidance that of not taking science and taking up arts. And yes, I did sulk for a year because I thought that people were not looking at me with the right eye because arts liye. However, I think that was the bestest decision of my life because after that, I knew what I needed to do. Despite the fact that I had certain set of dreams, but कई बार क्या होता है जैसे हम चीज देखते हैं और जो हमारे अंदर aptitude होता है, till the time we don't sit down with us and we don't understand our skills, वो चीजें ना बहुत hazy लगती हैं. Like for say example, मुझे कोई बोले कि you're not good at a particular subject, and I will believe it, right? Till the time I sit down with myself and I rethink and rethink and rethink. Similar things happen when you take a decision in class 10th. There are people who will be guiding you, there are parents who will be telling you, but you need to sit down with yourself and give proper justification, as Vivek you mentioned, to your parents that why you want to do and why it is going to help you in your life. Okay,
Don't
so
you
there
feel
has to be a structure that has to be maintained.
don't you feel parents will get annoyed?
See, annoyance is different thing, but there is a time now even parents need to wake up to understand that parents are the caregivers, which I always mention in all of my webinars. And the structure which is with them, that is a child who is supposed to walk his or her own journey, has her own set of skills, has her own set of knowledge. We need to mm, like kind of upgrade them. We don't have to pull them down by the interest that we carry. So all you parents, I'm not saying that you're supposed to not give your ideas, but also listen to them. Maybe you will come to a platform wherein she or he will excel more in life. So speak out and have a conversation.
The age of 14 year, 15 year, 16 year, do you think is this right
Hmm.
and to take self decision?
I think today children are right enough to take the decisions. I have a daughter who's 13. She's very, very structured in her mind as to what she wants to do. Now, again, this structure also comes in your mind when you sit down with your parents, when you sit down with your teachers, when you sit down with your friends, and you have discussions over that. To talk about movies, to talk about popcorn, to talk about other fancy things about going shopping is the easiest to do. But to have conversations with your children, sit down with them and show them, and it has to start with not the age 13, it has to start with the age of 7 now, when you need to show your child the prospects of life. Because a child always looks up to a parent. Now, a parent is doing, say, a business. A child might or might not have the inclination to join the specific business, but you can show, if you do this, there are these options. And it takes about 5 to 6 years for a child to make up the mind and have come out with their own decisions and interests that they then will share with the parents. You can't say आज मैं अपने बच्चे के साथ बैठा तो उसने मुझे अपना interest ही नहीं बताया. It will happen over a period of time when there is a trust built, when the child also feels that my parent is going to understand what I want. Again, teachers also come here in between. Now I understand the class structures are big, the number of students are more. However, there has to be a sort of a research done on every child as to what inclination the child has. Like what are the strengths of a particular student, what are the weaknesses, how those weaknesses can be turned into strengths, and how a child can take a particular topic. Now, a student can be good in Kathak, a student can be good in folk dance. So dance for me है ना दोनों, but patterns दोनों different है. Now we need to understand what a child's inclination is. So उसके लिए थोड़ा बहुत तो काम करना ही पड़ेगा as parents also and as students also.
But then what's the meaning of being strict? Parents has to sometime be strict also at some moment, because I don't know, so some moment it's somewhere being strict, you can make the decision proper. Means you can mold the decision, you can
See,
guide.
when you're having sorry to cut you here, but my only point was whenever you're having a conversation does not mean the conversation has to be decision proof that very point in time. Conversation means that today I'm having a conversation with my child. So that conversation for this career thing is not going to sum up today. It's not that I am not going to tell her that this is not the right thing. But over the couple of years, say today if she's in class 7 till class 10th, she will have certain amount of interest which will be visible to me also as a parent. Similarly to a teacher also a certain amount of interest will be visible. So वो चीज करना बहुत जरूरी है. Strictness अपने जगह, strict उन चीजों पे हो जिन पे जरूरत है. Strict does not mean a child is scared of talking to you or sharing the ideas or even pouring कि मेरा interest science में नहीं arts में है. I had just giving an example, and if that girl ever watches this webinar, she will know I'm talking about her. She met me in class 9th. Now she's doing well. She's in a college. She came to me that my parents are forcing me to take science, and my father refuses to give that kind of a statement that if she does not take science, he will kind of not talk to her, that kind of a situation. And that child was very much inclined on writing. She used to write poetry, she used to write stories, and she would share that with me. And apparently, I was her counselor. And today, she is a fantastic writer. Her first book has been launched, and I'm so proud of her. And again, I'm not saying she went against the fathers or the parents' will, but at the same time, she also went to have a communication and to show her interest. तो वो दिखाना भी जरूरी है. A child cannot come. मुझे ना आज रॉक स्टार बनना है. Now रॉक स्टार बनना है तो उसमें तो स्टिक लगाना ही पड़ेगा ना. Like rock star, why? All of a sudden, what do you have? So that way, I think we'll have to be open.
I will ask the audience that share any incident in a short 1 or 2 lines where you have been against your family decision and now that decision is working fine to you, or might that decision is not working fine, so that it will help you to understand that yes, what was the situation and what was the scenario. In meantime, we will be discussing, and I will request that you can put down your comments who are on Zoom live or who are on Facebook live. They can put that somewhere downline the time you had been against your family decision. Anyways, what is that inner energy which will help you post 10th or when you have passed 10th, that I should go and talk to my family? Because there are different layers of family. One are very much modern. When I say, they are very much open to their kids' decision. One is at the rural areas, they are not very much open to the kids' decision. In fact, they are also not aware of the exposures, what all different facilities are available. There the child is like the father of the man, even Ashoka has said. Now the third is the middle tier family, where each parents has their own ambition. In due course of time, they didn't fulfill it, so they have that ambition is now fulfilled by their kids or something.
Absolutely.
So there is somewhere that conflict is there, conflict of interest, I will say. So there are different layer of parenting, also different layer of parents and different layer of interest among parents. So if you are talking about the solution, then the solution or the vaccine has to be common among them, or the solution has to be different at different level.
See, again, like how one shoe size does not fit all of the humanity, similar is the case with parenting. Every parenting is right. I never question anybody's parenting. Similarly, everybody's decision according to them is right. I'm not questioning that as well. However, I feel as the times have changed, as the scope has widened up and we have a bigger horizon in front of us, it is time as parents, we don't put our स्ट्रक्चर की हमने अगर डॉक्टर बनना था और हम नहीं बन पाए तो मेरा सपना रिंकिला पूरा करेगी. Since I can see her name on the screen, that is why I'm mentioning her name. However, it is not like that. It is time that we need to nurture the nurtureness a child has. We need to nurture the dreams of that child. अपने dreams को side में रख के, अपनी aspirations उन पे ना डाल के, let the child grow on their own. I'm not saying that probably you have not had the good dream for her. Probably if I say that my daughter should become a doctor, ठीक है, वो मेरे हिसाब से वो डॉक्टर बनने चाहिए, and probably when I see any other doctor, मुझे उस डॉक्टर के अंदर अपना बच्चा नजर आएगा, right? And similarly it happens for every parent. कोई businessman है, कोई dentist है, कोई psychologist है, कोई कुछ भी है. So every profession, every parent sees, कई inherently बच्चे उस field को पकड़ लेते हैं with the interest that they see in the parents, and they go in the same line, and it is fair. However, in every case, it is not the same situation. So it is up to us as parents to analyze. See, if we are adults, we have to take the responsibility that we need to be adults to take that kind of a structural ability to make sure कि हम बच्चों में देखें तो सही कि मेरे बच्चे में अगर सोचे डॉक्टर बनने की कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है तो शायद वो पायलट अच्छा बन सकता है, शायद वो फौज में जाके he can be a general because he has that leadership capabilities. So see what you have not seen in you but you see in your child. Best way to do this is आप उसमें वो quality देखो जो आपने अपने अंदर नहीं देखी. Then you will be able to differentiate the child's abilities. क्योंकि हमारे स्पेसिफिक इंडियन स्ट्रक्चर में हम अपने बच्चों को किसी ना किसी की तरह रिलेट करते हैं, यू नो, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हो गए या फैमिली में XYZ हो गए या ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. बट द थिंग इज हम उस बच्चे को उस बच्चे की तरह कभी नहीं देखते. let's say, for example, if my child has 10 qualities that I have and 4 that she has out of her own structural human body, then I will focus on those 4, because those 4 will give me a glimpse that what is her liking. So I think every parent should now become an adult to make that kind of a decision, sit down with the child, and not just 1 year. I have parents come to me saying that, a child does not speak to me. They will not, until and unless you have made this a practice. You have made this that, okay, I respect your decision, you respect my decision, and we are together in it.
Sure. So now one question is not answered. That is for the rural India, where the parents, they
Yes,
don't.
rural India. Okay. I will come to that as well. Now in rural India, what is happening right now, and most of the schools are also doing it, is they are टीचर्स की एक टोली बना के वहां पे जाती है. जैसे हम पिक्चर्स दिखाते थे पहले लोगों को, एक सब पूरे गांव को इकट्ठा करते थे, वैसे ही पेरेंट्स को इकट्ठा किया जाता है और उनको स्कोप दिखाए जाते हैं कि अगर वो उस बच्चे को इस स्ट्रीम में ना डाल के उनके पास और क्या क्या ऑप्शन है, तो उनको एजुकेशन दी जा रही है, जिसमें आई थिंक नाउ द रूरल पेरेंट्स आर आल्सो कमिंग टू आई थिंक एक मॉडरेशन आ चुकी है, जिसमें दे आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस इज बीन डन. और एक तरीके से उनको समझाना बहुत जरूरी है, इसी तरीके से कि couple of students can go to the rural areas, educate as to what all scopes are there beyond the scopes that they know.
Correct.
Yes.
So in meantime, you can see on the screen, that's what we are saying कि आज जो भी आपकी हॉबी है, कुछ भी हॉबी है, उसको आप हुनर बनाओ. And that we are just supporting, being a Tinkerly group, we are supporting each and every kid and parents in that direction. I will play the video again. And in meantime, those who had not entered any text regarding had they ever been against to their parents' will, and it was fruitful or it was not fruitful. So just yes and no, you can answer. Okay, on the screen, you can see this girl, right? This girl is also against her parents' wish, and she is doing some kind of experiments, which her mom didn't allow. Now she is doing very well. And we spoke to her mom, and she said, yes, we are supporting her. Just kidding.
Okay, we have a message in the chat box, and since it's sent to me privately, I would really want to share it. And see, again, what happens is sometimes the question is something like this, that she wanted to be in a bank. However, now is a teacher, and she is actually a successful teacher and enjoys teaching. Now, see, as humans, we have a tendency to have those skills which are called people skills. So when you say that you wanted to be in a bank, obviously you would have had interaction with people, you would have met people all day through, and you would have had interaction with various walks of people, right? Similar thing is happening with you in teaching, and that is the reason that you're enjoying, because you're meeting children, you're meeting parents, you're exploring new horizons, and that is how it happens. So, the base structure of our passion remains the same. The streamlines can definitely change. So very well done, Jayashree.
Great. So Archana, moving towards the next question is that
yes,
now the scenario and circumstance has totally changed. This year, the students have not given the complete board exams. They are also not aware कि हमारी life में हो क्या गया, ये mask आ गया. दूसरा चीज ये है कि मतलब एक अलग ही लेवल का अब मतलब जो हमने देखा था वो तो अब है नहीं. इकोनॉमी भी वर्ल्ड वाइड ग्लोबली ये 2 साल पीछे चली गई. जॉब लॉस होंगे, बहुत सारी चीजें शट डाउन होंगी, फिर नो डाउट की चीजें फिर इवॉल्व करेगी, लोग खुद में डेवलप करेंगे, बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशंस आएंगे. So it impacts the education world also, education scenario also, pattern also, human behavior also, and parenting also. So now how you are seeing the parenting is going to change in this COVID-19. If I take the parenting from a standard for the students of a standard 10th to 12th, how they are going to do the parenting for them, because उन्हें तो खुद में पता नहीं कि हो क्या गया, अब ये नए कॉलेज में जा भी पाएंगे कि नहीं, 1 साल तक उन्हें यही नहीं पता कि बहुत लोगों को तो अब्रॉड जाना था, वो भी गया, अब्रॉड तो 2 साल जा ही नहीं सकते, रीजन जाके भी क्या करेंगे, कहाँ कोविड आ जाए, until unless वैक्सीन ना आ जाए. So what's your take on this?
See, Vivek, I'm taking this COVID situation in a very, very positive light. Now, when I say positive, I say when we're talking about parenting, एक स्ट्रक्चर था जिसमें बच्चे सुबह 7 बजे स्कूल जाते थे, 3-4 बजे आते थे, उसके बाद दोबारा ट्यूशन जाते थे, उसके बाद से 7 बजे आते थे, उसके बाद normal eating routine and their homework, and that was the life of parents and the child. However, now things have changed. We are all together with nobody going out with, yes, mask definitely has become a part of our lives, but उस mask को जो हमारा पुराना mask था उसको हमने उतार दिया. Now we need to understand that as a parent and as a child, हम दोनों एक platform पे हमारी relationship क्या है. So I feel it is a time to build relationship between the child and the parent. Reason, अभी 10th 11th 12th के जो बच्चे हैं, they are basically adults. They know what they want to do. Most of them in 11th 12th students have their streams in hand and they are working on it. Again, internet and other places wherein there are short courses, they can always increase their knowledge by grasping as much as knowledge through various short courses that otherwise they would not have got a chance to do. Schools are having online classes, and I also see this as a boon, as a different prospect to education, because see, now the education system has to change. Earlier we were going to schools, we were reading books, we were getting homework, and apparently that was the structure. आप ऑनलाइन बच्चों को किताबों से पढ़ाओगे तो आधे बच्चे तो अपना स्क्रीन बंद करके they are doing something else, right? Now the teachers have realized that work style is not going to work, so there's going to be a lot of analytical learning. There is going to be more of activity based learning, in which 10th 11th 12th, which is also going to follow the same path, there is going to be a relationship building between three important stakeholders, that is teachers, parents, and students. And believe me, when we say that a relationship between a teacher and a student, I say it is going to take a positive leap, because if a teacher can pass on education through the webinar in a way that the child is attached to a teacher, that is a landmark. So entire structure has changed. I feel now is a structure which is going to be more important in building relationship. Parents have to now reanalyze their parenting style. They have to understand where they need to be controlled, be those parents who are controlling, where they need to be assertive, where they need to be like friends with them. At the same time, I don't mean friends, but yes, now that the friends are not with them, they have to play different roles. So right now is a time of relationship building for parents. For children, also, it is a time to understand the parents. Now, it is a very big thing. Now, sit down, children, all of you who are going to listen, who are listening right now and are going to listen. You have to understand, as a parent also has multiple responsibilities, because he or she is looking for a life that is comfortable for you. Maybe that comfort definition is different for both the aspects, but now is the time to have a communication on what comfort do you see, what comfort they see, and come on a common consensus where both the stakeholders are happy. So I feel a lot of relationship building, a lot of communication has to now come into process.
Correct. Now moving ahead to the next question, I will love to ask that now how the coaching system, that those coachings you find in Kota and all, is going to impact standard 10th students. Means, do they get fascinated with those kind of coachings or those kind of exposures? Means, yes, I should go to that coaching, I should go and opt for that. Means, who is the one who is, what is that hidden force which drive them to go for the coaching? Is the parent, is the friend system, is the ecosystem, or is they themselves?
Okay, for most of the children who I know and who I feel, they don't know. Basically, for them, it is like they want to go to school, come back, and that is all they want to do. There is a structure where there are parents who have absolutely have this alignment. Now my children is going to come home at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, this coaching. Okay, 6 o'clock back, 8 o'clock, this coaching. Again, there is a lot of societal pressure on parents, because in a society that they live in, एक को लगता है ओ उसका बेटा अगर वहां जा रहा है, so I should not let that happen alone. My daughter or my son also should go there. So, there is a lot of pressure on parents, which parents are taking. However, it's time that you need to understand the interest of the child. 10th तक जरूरी है कि चलो हर बच्चे को हर सब्जेक्ट पढ़ना है. 10th के बाद जो हम एक डिसीजन लेते हैं टुगेदर एज अ स्टेक होल्डर बिटवीन द पेरेंट, द चाइल्ड एंड द टीचर, चाइल्ड का एक लेवल ऑफ इंटरेस्ट उस स्ट्रीम में होता है या होएगा या वो बनाएगा, वट एवर इट इज. जहां पे हेल्प है, डेफिनेटली यस, द चाइल्ड नीड्स टू नो मोर, बट जरूरी नहीं है. सी, इट्स अ फैड अगेन. अगर आप अपने बच्चे को कोचिंग में भेज रहे हो, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट दैट चाइल्ड हैज टू गो देयर बिकॉज उसकी एक नीड है. प्रॉब्ली वो एक नीड पेरेंट की हो सकती है. सिमिलर है, क्योंकि जैसे आपने बोला कि कई बार पेरेंट्स लिव देयर ड्रीम्स थ्रू देयर चिल्ड्रन, तो वो सोचते हैं कि इस कोचिंग में जाएगा तो नंबर अच्छे आएंगे, तो प्रॉब्ली दैट प्लेस ऑफ एक जो भी वो करियर सोचते हैं कि उस बच्चे में अगर चला जाएगा वो, मतलब द सेम स्ट्रीम, द चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू हैव अ करियर व्हिच ही और शी इज डिजाइनिंग. Now the thing is, you need to understand coaching is not the end result. A child needs to learn to play. A child needs to learn to have relationship building, and that is with his friends, with the community, and then decide between himself, herself, or the parent with the proper people who he or she can take decisions कि मुझे करना क्या है. सिर्फ जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स कर रहे हैं वो भी नहीं करना चाहिए कि मेरे फ्रेंड ने साइंस लिया, आई थिंक द होल class is going to take science because that person is very friendly. No, that decision is wrong. Again, you can't say कि मेरे XYZ किसी मेरे फ्रेंड के ब्रदर ने बोल दिया या सिस्टर ने बोला है तो करना. You have to sit down with proper channels. You can actually seek help from counseling. You can go to all the counselors who would help you with the career prospects. Go sit down with them and channelize your dreams so that whatever you do, you need to be productively involved and happy about it.
Okay, so now the question moves that do student have to live their life with their choice, or they parents have to live their life with their choice, or vice versa? Means do they have to respect other choice also? Means students has to respect parents choice also, parents has to respect students choice also. So what will be the bridge between them?
Again, I will see it on a bigger scale now. Putting it, हम क्योंकि पेरेंट्स और बच्चों की यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज वो एक बहुत बड़ा गैप हो जाता है जिसमें कम्युनिकेशन नहीं होता है. नाउ दैट वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन, एंड आई एम श्योर ईच पेरेंट हु इज वाचिंग इट will now make an effort to have some sort of communication with the child to know the interest. Now the question mark here is wider for me. I see, say for example, a child says, okay, my interest is 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 5 points. Now the parent says, I see in my child that there are 5 pointers that I see a child doing well in. Now I will not rub both the ways. I'll keep both the boards open and say, now I have got 10 points of that child. Now is the time to do a test or a personality test for a child, wherein now we know that, okay, out of these 10 things, the child is good or the best at these 4. So once those 4 are given and once those 4 are shown to that particular parent, and the child now gets the structure aligned, how can we now motivate our child to walk in that same line? Ultimate aim क्या है parents का, और ultimate aim बच्चे का क्या है? That whatever he or she does, उसमें उसको आगे जाके एक वो मिलनी चाहिए that okay, I've done good. एक recognition होनी चाहिए. Same time ये भी होना चाहिए that I have kind of done well in my life. Right or wrong?
Right.
Main aim is what? Today you are from IIT, you are sitting, you are doing this webinars with me. What is your main aim? Your main aim is that I'm happy with what decision I took and I joined IIT and I'm out of it and I'm living a life that I want by doing this and also by working simultaneously on other prospects. सबका यही है. एक हॉबीज भी होते हैं, ये भी होता है, बट एक करियर में जो हमें सब्जेक्ट्स लेके आगे बढ़ के वे वी फील वी कैन डू मोर बिकॉज वी आर पैशनेट अबाउट इट, दैट इज गोइंग टू वर्क.
Correct. So these days, Archana, means one thing is that don't you think that after if we start thinking more selfishly about our choices, then are we going to become more selfish?
No, not at all.
Because we are not respecting any
Like
other's choice. If parent is asking that go and take bio, I am saying no, I won't take bio. I will take journalism. He is saying that I have seen journalism has a very strong. You study +2 bio and then you take journalism. No, I will take humanity. Don't take humanity now. Means I am saying somewhere the conflict is there of getting selfishness or not getting.
No, again, here comes the point wherein, yes, selfishness and non-selfishness is happening because the communication is not coming to a point wherein both are agreeing. Now, here comes the role of a counselor who gives both of them the light and the direction which is going to be good for that particular child, जिसके लिए दोनों लड़ रहे हैं. Child भी लड़ रहा है अपने लिए, parent भी लड़ रहा है. Now comes the role, and believe me, we have parents who start coming in from class 8th onwards to have that kind of a channel for the child. So things have changed, and we need to take that leap forward now to understand कि मेरे बच्चे का interest है क्या. Then force that child, and I'm sure, surely, see, it's being eased out and communication does not mean कि आप बच्चे की सारी बात मानो. उसका मतलब ये भी नहीं है कि बच्चा पेरेंट्स की सारी बात माने. Now I am only talking about liking and the education front, that yes, we need to come to a common consensus, because 40 साल बाद जाके उस बच्चे को उस सब्जेक्ट के साथ अपनी लाइफ बितानी है. He or she is going to make a career with whatever decision they are going to take today. So better, if they can't take it, take professional help.
Correct. So now what I mean to say that you might have before that you might have seen the problem is that for the rural India and the people who are from the average class family, because they won't be able to understand this. But for the higher range family, means, as you can see on the screen, there is a test called MBTI test, which for now in these for the higher class families, they are conducting these kind of tests from standard 6, 7 itself, and they are paying huge amount of money for these kind of counseling. You will be happier to know that with the help of Archana and Tinkerly, now we are planning to conduct these online tests on a very minimal cost with a complete report. When I say report, as what we were talking, report means where you have to incline, where the child is inclined, where you are inclined, where you have to mold up, and is the decision which the child is taking, is this right for his career or not. I'm not saying it will be 100% accurate, but yes, it will be somewhere near to 100%. But that too, it depends on your interest, because child is not aware about this MBTI test. This is a test which is being conducted with the help of psychiatrists and psychologists, clinical psychology, if we go into that, these kind of terms. But these all comes, I don't know how much these tests can be taken. These tests can be done for the people who are at the remote places or the farthest places or are in rural India, and the people who are from the average class family, whether they are going to take these kind of tests or not. But friends and parents, do understand these tests are also required. And of course, in this COVID-19 scenario and post COVID-19 scenario, it's the further most important task which you should do for your kids, for self, for professional. When these tests can be taken by anyone, and it will help you understand the pressure scenario which you are dealing, and are you taking the right steps or not. So I'm happy, and I am very much eager to inform you that, as what I informed you earlier also, that Tinkerly and Balanced with Archana, these two firms are now coming up together to conduct these MBTI tests on a very minimal cost. We will be sharing you the link and everything post this session on your mail, so that if you are interested, you can go and on a very minimal cost give this kind of links, and post answering those questions, you can have a complete report from a psychologist, means from a certified psychologist. Apart from that, Archana, what you want to inform about this MBTI test to everyone?
Okay, MBTI is Myers-Briggs type indicator. Basically, it helps you understand your personality, and we start doing these tests from class 8 onwards, because basic interests of children are already developed. So for parents who feel that they are having a trouble to find out the strengths, the weaknesses, and also the areas where the child can excel in his or her life, then this test gives them the glimpse. और इसमें ये भी clarity आ जाती है that as a child, what qualities and skills you possess, जिससे आपकी life आगे जाके, in the sense, whatever subjects that you take, what all career options can you go for with the kind of personality that you have. Like, for say example, let me take my example. Okay, like for example, I am good with people. So when I have people skills, I can go into training, I can go into any sort of a training field, or I can even do other sections wherein people are involved, right? Similarly, we give you a lot of these career options according to your personality type, and you can choose from. However, it is not that कि उसमें अगर कुछ point नहीं लिखे और आपको लगता है आपको वो करने हैं, तो you can't do it. You definitely can do it. उनमें आपको थोड़ा सा आपको ये पता होगा that I'll have to put a little extra pressure or extra work upon in those particular subjects, right? सोचो कि अगर मुझे humanities नहीं लेके commerce लेना है और मुझे पता है कि मेरा maths problematic area है, which also with that test that you know कि maths में you will have to work hard. So what happens is then you know that this is not a skill that is inside me and I'll have to work upon it. One. Secondly, this test is not only for students, for parents, for adults who also feel कि, you know, now I think I have done enough of this work and I need to change my career path. This is also for you. Also for women who wants to start their own business, for anybody and everybody. In fact, I do this test almost like say 2 years में one time, so that even I see my relationship with my husband where it needs to get in better and better and better. So, you know, these tests help us to reflect, at the same time also give us the inclination as to where and what are we doing and what can we do more by the personality and the qualities and the skills that we own. कई बार हमें खुद ही नहीं पता होता कि हमारे अंदर है क्या और क्या नहीं है, right or wrong. So these kind of tests help you know yourself better. So we will be able to conduct this together and we will be able to guide you further with this entire section. So stay tuned and we will get in touch with you regarding the same.
Fantastic. Out of means here I can see near about 13 people have said yes, this test is very much required, and I hope they will contact us on when we will be shooting them the mail that this is the nominal charge and all. You can just conduct the test and we can give you the complete report out of this. Thank you guys for just answering on this poll. Anyways,
thank you, Rashmi.
Seen this video just now. I'm just playing once again for Naisha. This girl is there, so she was conducting some sort of experiment, and still we are waiting for her experiment. But yes, she is very happy, and soon she will be sharing the experiment. So this is the mail ID of Archana, and before moving ahead, as I said, that MIBT test, guys, please don't forget to take
MBTI.
MBTI test. We will be sharing you the detail. In meantime, now I am opening this session for everyone where they can put directly the question, and I will ask everyone that please ask your question. If you are not able to speak, put down your question in the text box, or if you are on Facebook, just write it down there. We can ask directly to Archana, or we can discuss it on for the answers. So guys, your turn. I'm not stopping the screen sharing.
All right, everyone, go ahead, ask questions as much as you can.
Yeah. So the guy from Assam, I think the farthest person who is listening to us in Assam now, it's now 6, so it will be now night. It's almost dark evening. So
Virender ji, the full form of MBTI is Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. I will also write it in the chat box. Vivek, can you write it for me?
Yeah, we will. Don't worry, we will share you the mail in detail from our Tinkerly's ID. You will be getting the mail in detail, where you just need to, you will get all the information about MBTI.
Right.
And I will request that you please go for that test, and it will have many sorts of questions, and it will help you with a complete analytical report.
Okay.
So, yeah. So I will go with questions now. So Deepmala Baheti. So Deepmala, do you have any question? Yes. Deepmala, are you listening? I think the student is absent and she has marked the proxy. No, sir. So Dolamani Majhi, okay. Are you from Jharkhand or Bengal or Assam? Dolamani.
I am Bhubaneswar, sir, Odisha.
Hey, Odisha.
All of you can switch on your screen so we all can see you and you can ask questions. Hi, Ritu. So nice that you're here. I'm glad to see you.
You all can on their
You're
video.
on mute.
Hi.
Yeah, Hi, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm very well. Ritu is an educationist herself, and she has been doing and giving insights to a lot of children over the last couple of years. So we would love to hear some insight from you, Ritu, today.
All lovely sessions, enjoying them, and I've been following you very regularly. Great work.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's great. So who is going to be next? The next question.
Yeah, thank you very much, ma'am, for this lovely session.
Thank you, Virendraji. Thank you.
Actually, we are enough convinced with this concept, but how we can convince the other parents? Actually, in education sectors, we got the such type of questions. Parents came to us कि नहीं मुझे तो अपने बेटे को डॉक्टर ही बनाना है, या इट्स वेरी ट्रू कि दे अगर वो खुद नहीं बन पाए तो अपने बच्चे को वो सब बनाना चाहते हैं. तो हाउ वी कैन कन्विंस देम कि नहीं बच्चे को बच्चे की लाइफ जीने दो. यस वी आर वेरी कन्विंस्ड हमें तो हम वो सब कर सकते हैं, बट हाउ वी कैन कन्विंस द पेरेंट्स फॉर दिस प्लीज.
वीरेंद्र जी, एज हाउ वी इवन स्पोक, ये एक बहुत कन्वेंशनल तरीका है जो बहुत टाइम से चलता हुआ आ रहा है, वेयर पेरेंट्स एक्चुअली फील दैट दे वांट टू लिव देयर मतलब जो भी उनके सपने पूरे नहीं हुए, दे वांट द चिल्ड्रन टू डू द सेम. हाउएवर आई अंडरस्टैंड कि एज टीचर आपके लिए भी बहुत मुश्किल होता होगा टू लेट देम नो कि लेट देम बी ऑन द सेम स्ट्रक्चर. आई फील एक बहुत जरूरत है एक काउंसलर का बीच में आना, बिकॉज आपको मैं बताती हूँ, एक जब पेरेंट एक टीचर के पास स्कूल में आता है, वो इस तरीके से आता है कि मैंने एक बच्चा आपके पास भेजा है एंड आई वांट माय चाइल्ड टू बी अ डॉक्टर, और आपको उसको डॉक्टर बनाना है. सी, दैट इज द एम द पेरेंट हैज. नाउ अ पेरेंट हैज टू बी शोन अ डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ सर्कल, लेकिन वो एक कई बार टीचर्स के लिए थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है, बिकॉज वो सोचते हैं कि टीचर हमारे बच्चे में या ही और शी इज नॉट वर्किंग ऑन माई चाइल्ड, तो उसमें एक प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है एंड दैट इज वाई एक कोलैबोरेटिव डिसीजन नहीं हो पाता. हाउएवर अगर कोई भी काउंसलर या कोई भी थर्ड पार्टी टीचर आपके स्कूल में है जो आप उनको एजुकेट कर सकती है कि देयर आर टेस्ट, उससे पता लगेगा कि आपका बच्चा आगे जाके क्या अच्छा कर सकता है. ऑल्सो शो देम द साइड्स दैट यू नो, कई बच्चे होते हैं व्हेन दे डोंट रीच टू द एम्बार्क्ड जर्नी जहां पे उनको फुलफिलमेंट मिलती है, दे टेक डिसीजंस व्हिच आर नॉट राइट. तो वो चीज अगर आपके बच्चे के साथ ना हो, यू शुड ऑलवेज टेक कंसल्टेशन और उसको वो स्ट्रीम में आगे डालो जो लगता है आपको लगता है कि सोचो कि अगर कोई स्टूडेंट है आपका जो आपको लगता है कैन बी अ गुड राइटर और कैन बी अ गुड फुटबॉलर और एनीथिंग, कुछ भी, तो आप उसको वो स्ट्रीम दिखाओ, उनके पेरेंट्स को थोड़ा एजुकेट करो एंड आई थिंक दैट शुड बी गुड टू गो. एक थर्ड पार्टी लानी पड़ेगी लेकिन बीच में.
यस डेफिनेटली, थैंक यू.
होप इट वाज हेल्पफुल. टिंकरली आपके साथ हमेशा है, यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट बैक टू देम, दे विल एक्सप्लेन द पेरेंट्स वेरी वेल.
डेफिनेटली मैम, डेफिनेटली आई विल डू दैट.
श्योर.
थैंक यू.
Someone from
Thank you.
Assam is asking what will be the best way to remove stress from the mind of students during the pandemic time.
See, again, stress क्या है? Stress is when either जो रिसोर्स आपके हाथ में है वो आपके चैलेंजेस से बहुत कम है. तो सोचो फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मुझे इस पैंडेमिक के टाइम मेरे स्कूल ने 10 चैप्टर लिखने का टाइम दिया है और उसमें 1 वीक दिया है, तो ऑब्वियसली स्ट्रेस आएगा. बट वो स्ट्रेस तब नहीं है क्योंकि जब उस बच्चे को आप टीवी के सामने बिठाते हो, राइट? इज अ चाइल्ड स्ट्रेसफुल जब आप उसके हाथ में मोबाइल होता है? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. ही और शी कैन वॉच अ मूवी थ्रू आउट द डे. सिमिलरली जो भी एक तरीका है, जो भी एक एंगेजमेंट एक बच्चे की है, उसको उसके हिसाब से डाइवर्ट करना आना चाहिए. मैं नहीं कहती कि अगर उसको मोबाइल देख के खुशी मिल रही है तो आपको उसको मोबाइल देना है, बट वही एक्टिविटी जो 10 चैप्टर हैं वो इस तरीके से कराने हैं जिसमें उसकी एंगेजमेंट एक मूवी फॉर्म में हो. हर बच्चे का एक तरीका होता है ही उसको सीखने का, उस पे टू गेट दैट इंटरेस्ट आउट ऑफ दैट चाइल्ड. इट इज टाइम दैट वी सी द इंटरेस्ट. तो बच्चे को अगर लगता है कि ड्राइंग अच्छी लगती है तो एक चैप्टर उसको बोलो पढ़ो और इस चैप्टर पे एक व्हाइट पेपर पे मुझे इसकी ड्राइंग बना के बताओ इस पूरे चैप्टर की. या अगर उसको लगता है कि उसको स्टोरी सुनना अच्छा लगता है, उसको बोलो कि ये चैप्टर पढ़ो और शाम को हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे जिसमें हम सब मिलके एक एक स्टोरी सुनाएंगे और इस स्टोरी से आप वॉट एवर वी हैव लर्न. सो यू नो, वी हैव टू लर्न टू एंगेज द चाइल्ड. मेरी खुद की बेटी घर पे है जो बोर्डिंग में पढ़ती है. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड द चैलेंजेस, बट द चैलेंज इज ओनली हियर व्हेन वी टेक इट एज अ चैलेंज. स्ट्रेस कब है? जब मुझे अपने बच्चे को हैंडल नहीं करना आ रहा और मुझे उसको बताना नहीं आ रहा दैट व्हाट इज राइट एंड रॉन्ग. Stress eradicates the moment you give solutions. So if I know that she is sitting on an iPad for 2 hours, I know third hour में मुझे उसको iPad से कैसे हटाना. I'll give her an activity जो iPad के screen से related होगी. So I'll ask her to draw something which gives her the thing कि मेरी creativity को appreciate किया जाएगा. But at the same time, I am an adult and my parents are listening to me. हर बच्चे की need है to become an adult. इसीलिए वो parents को नहीं सुनते. When you give them the responsibility of an adult, automatically the child is going to be listening to you, will be more friendly to you, will be more adaptable towards your decisions and solutions.
हाँ
विवेक आप हंस रहे हैं.
हंस इसलिए रहा हूँ कि now childs are thinking to become adult and adults are thinking to become child. मतलब बहुत हो गया. मैं हंस इसलिए रहा हूँ.
नहीं, वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म को बैलेंस करने के लिए we have to understand the child psychology also. हम हमेशा पेरेंट बन के उनको कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. We have to think, we have to go in their shoes and stand. At the same time, we also have to make them stand in our shoes and understand why we react and respond in the way we do.
Someone on Facebook has asked how to reshape your career if you want to switch stream later in life. And the guy name is Pulkit.
Okay, Pulkit, very, very nice. You write amazing articles and I've been reading those. However, if you feel that at a certain point you feel कि करियर में चेंज करना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स टेक लाइफ एज अ लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस. ऐसा कोई भी मौका आपकी लाइफ में नहीं आना चाहिए, 40 साल के हो या 50 साल के हो, कि I can't take a change of my decision in my career. Be open to learning, do all these courses at whatever time of your life and change your stream. There is no depth to not learning. I am a lifelong learner और मुझे ये लगता है कि जब तक मैं जिंदा हूँ, I am going to learn, I am going to give and I am going to adapt. Now, have that structure कि अगर आज मैं writing करता हूँ और कल मुझे लगता है कि I want to be something in the music, let's take it, I'm just giving an example, then I should have that kind of a strength in me कि अगर मैं उस career को चुन रही हूँ या चुन रहा हूँ, then I should be able to do full justice to it. So choose, go ahead. डरना क्यों है? Fear stops us to do something. Let the fear be a good fear जो हमें jitters देता है कि I don't know how it is going to be, but I am going to give my 100% to this. So change and adapt to the new things.
Okay. Rinkila, any question at your end?
Yeah, I have. Good evening,
Okay.
everybody. Hope you all
Good
are
evening.
safe and good.
We're all doing good. Hoping the same with you.
Yeah. So my question is that कि अभी apart from everything, थोड़े लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं कि they choose mother and father's career. तो like
Right.
they choose doctor. After that क्या होता है कि वो life में settle हो जाते हैं. But they don't like to be in doctor career. But because of the parents, they be in a doctor career. But their career, passion is about dancing. So after that, वो डॉक्टर खत्म करने के बाद वो डांसिंग में भी जा सकते हैं. Like our Miss World Manisha, you know her?
Chiller.
Yeah, Chiller.
Yes,
So,
Manisha Chiller.
so she's a doctor, but after that,
Doctor.
so after that she chose about a Miss World, which is her passion about. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम स्ट्रेट हम वैसे भी कर सकते हैं, लाइक एक जगह में सेटल हो सकते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हमारे जो पैशन है उनको बाहर लाने चाहिए, क्योंकि अब ये है कि
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही करना चाहिए.
क्योंकि थोड़े बच्चे लाइक Vivek Pathak sir told that there are rural areas and middle class and the richer families. So अभी क्या होता है कि हम एक जगह में सेटल होना चाहिए, तो after that we can just do what's our willingness. तो अगर हम उस चीज में गिरे तो भी we have the back support of our career. Like if Manusha Chillag loses the Miss World champion, she can be also a very good in doctor. So she has that. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम स्ट्रेट वैसे जा सकते हैं, पैशन के लिए जा सकते हैं, या we can also do like this.
See, it all depends on you. First of all, it all depends on you. Now the thing is, like how you mentioned, certain children take the जो भी उनका stream of stride है, they take it as जो parents कर रहे हैं. So good for them if they made a career in that, if they like it and they're well established. See, hobbies और career में difference होता है. मेरी हॉबी डांस करना हो सकती है, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि मेरा प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ डांसिंग इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है दैट आई कैन बिकम अ गुड कोरियोग्राफर, राइट? और मे बी आई कैन ओपन अ डांस स्कूल, नहीं है. सो देर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ हॉबी and there is a difference between a career. Now again, when you talk about a career, now say for example, since we are talking about doctors, we can also talk about psychologists, we can also talk about many other professions. Thing is, professional satisfaction pura hone ke baad, when we realize that I am doing good in the structure that I am in, now if I want to take my hobby as मुझे गिटार बजाना अच्छा लगता है, या मुझे डांस करना अच्छा लगता है, या मुझे ट्रैकिंग पे जाना अच्छा, these are hobbies. These are the extra happiness factors that you're holding with yourself. So definitely ये चीजें कभी भी they should not ever die out. They should always be there on your shoulders कि ये सब, these things always keep the child inside you alive. It keeps that passion inside you more driving, because ये एक stress buster की तरह भी काम करता है. So always remember, there is no to anything. Whatever works for you as an individual, whatever makes you happy, whatever also monetarily satisfies your career needs, is the goal that you should look up for. So either ways, the structure has to be that. But the only thing is, you have to understand as a child कि एक base structure of education होना हाथ में बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. You can't say मैंने 10th पास कर लिया, उसके बाद मैं कोई online course कर लूंगा या कर लूंगी and I'm done with it. I will not endorse that, because that is not the way it has to be. You have to have a education in hand, भले वो आपको उस टाइम काम में आए या नहीं आए. You never know, 20 years के बाद आपको वो डिग्री काम आ जाए. You may land up in a situation where you would need a job which शायद आप करना नहीं चाहते, but उस टाइम आपकी need of the hour होगी. So that time when you have education in hand, then you don't have a sorry face कि now I don't know what to do, right? So be well equipped with education. So I never tell children not to or to jump out of education. जितना ज्यादा पढ़ सकते हो पढ़ो, जो अच्छा लगता है पढ़ो और करते रहो.
So
Hope I was able to answer your question, Rinkila.
Yeah, I really कि दिमाग खुल गया. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Most welcome.
Deep Malaji, you have any question? Deep Malaji is not having any question. Galaxy A30, इनका नाम क्या है मुझे नहीं पता. So do you have any question? Rinkila, do you have any question?
But it's because my question is about myself. So can I ask that?
Surely.
अभी बोलते हैं कि साइकोलॉजिस्ट में सिर्फ साइंस स्ट्रीम ही लेना चाहिए. थोड़े लोग बोलते हैं कि इफ यू चूज साइंस स्ट्रीम, साइकोलॉजिस्ट में जाकर तुम्हें बहुत बड़ी प्लस पॉइंट होगी. तो
Okay.
सिर्फ साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट सिर्फ साइंस ही लेना चाहिए, अदरवाइज दे कैन आल्सो गो फॉर एन आर्ट्स or something else?
See, again, psychology can be done with any stream. See, psychology is something which works with your brain and mind. If you have a science, you can actually go up studying it in great depth in the future. However, if you're past that stage and you feel that you're an art student or you're a commerce student, you can still go and learn psychology. You can still be a psychologist. You can still be a counselor, and you can give advice. However, you can't give any sort of a treatment advice, but at the same time, yes, you can go up for being a counselor where you are guiding people, you are making some positive change in them. And yes, if you want to become a clinical psychologist or any other stream which definitely works more on your mind and other parts, then definitely you have to take up science. So even if you don't have science and you want to become a psychologist, you can. Psychiatrists are the people who need to take science, because that requires in-depth knowledge of how your body and your mind functions.
Thank you.
Most
Jayashri,
welcome.
any question?
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ बोलिए.
हाँ जी.
हाँ
सर जो मेरा भैया है उसका तकदीर ठीक नहीं है. वो 2011 में 10 एग्जाम दिया था, तो उसका रिजल्ट सेकंड क्लास आया. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, उसका हेल्थ बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ, तो वो +2 साइंस किया, तो वो 2 बार कैंसिल किया है, एग्जाम नहीं गया है. तो उसको क्या करना होगा? अभी से आर्ट्स ले रहा है, बोल रहा है मैं साइंस नहीं पढ़ूंगा, मेरा तकदीर ठीक नहीं है. तो क्या कर सकते हैं उसके लिए?
अच्छा, तो उन्होंने 2 बार एग्जाम दिया है. अर्चना, या
मैं Vivek, can you explain to me what was exactly the issue?
He's having one brother who has given some 2 years back the board exam, and then he appeared to, matlab he didn't appeared for the +2 exam post that twice.
And मैं actually आधा सुन रही थी, साइंस लिया था, now he does not want to take science, ऐसा ही है ना?
यस मैम, साइंस लिया था वो अभी बोल रहा है
साइंस लिया था,
अभी बोल रहा है आर्ट्स लेंगे।
उन्होंने 2 बार साइंस लिया and he failed, right?
हाँ, एग्जाम नहीं दिया है उसने।
अच्छा, एग्जाम नहीं दिए तो अच्छा नहीं दिए तो उसमें आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, अगर उनको लगता है कि साइंस उनको इंटरेस्ट नहीं करता है और उसमें उनको लगता है कि वो भले भी पढ़ के उनको उसके अंदर एक वो कंसंट्रेशन नहीं मिलती है उस सब्जेक्ट में, तो जहां पे उन्होंने इतना ट्राई किया, लेट हिम ट्राई विद साइंस, उनको आर्ट सॉरी, और उनको बोलो आर्ट स्ट्रीम लेकर भी वो देख लेते हैं, हो सकता है कि उसमें कोई सब्जेक्ट ऐसा हो जो उनको अच्छा लगे और वो उसमें आगे बढ़ के उसको पढ़ना चाहेंगे। उसमें क्या होता है, कई बार हम किसी किसी सब्जेक्ट से डर भी जाते हैं, उसमें हमें जो हम बाहर से सुनते हैं या हम जब उसको पढ़ने बैठते हैं नहीं समझ आता और समझाने वाले का तरीका शायद ठीक नहीं होता, तो उस तरीके से भी कई बार लगता है। तो आप उनसे बात करके देखिए कि एग्जैक्टली प्रॉब्लम क्या है, 1। सेकेंडली, जब प्रॉब्लम अगर उनको लगता है कि साइंस ही अच्छी नहीं लगती तो ठीक है, चलो देन वी नो कि साइंस को छोड़ के आर्ट्स की तरफ आ जाते हैं या कॉमर्स की तरफ आ जाते हैं। तो एक बार उनसे बात करके देखिए, देन यू कैन ऑलवेज रीच आउट टू अस, हम हमेशा यहीं पे ही हैं।
वो अच्छा रहता है, एग्जाम के समय जो आता है उसका तकदीर खराब होता है।
हाँ जी,
नहीं समझे, फिर से बोलिए, व्हाट यू सेड दुलामणि जी?
ये मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, तकदीर बोल रहे हैं आप वर्ड?
एग्जाम के
एग्जाम, हाँ
नहीं, तकदीर खराब होने से इसमें कुछ नहीं है, तकदीर कोई खराब नहीं करता कोई सब्जेक्ट, तकदीर उनकी साइंस के लिए बिल्कुल खराब नहीं है, हो सकता है उनका इंटरेस्ट उस सब्जेक्ट के लिए नहीं है। तो जब इंटरेस्ट को हम चेंज कर देते हैं, तो अगर वो कहता है कि आज आर्ट्स लेते हैं, तो सोचिए कि आर्ट्स से उनको आगे एक पॉजिटिव स्ट्रीमलाइन मिलेगी और वो शायद और पढ़ना चाहेंगे आर्ट्स को लेके।
यस मैम।
मेरा इसमें एक सजेशन है, थोड़ा बीइंग स्ट्रिक्ट, मैं ये बोलूंगा कि ठीक है, जो अर्चना ने बोला बिल्कुल सही है।
yes.
3 महीने के लिए ना उनको अकाउंटेबिलिटी कुछ दे दीजिए कि भाई आप ना देखो पढ़ नहीं रहे हो, इट्स ओके, जो भी आपका कंडीशन है नहीं है, थोड़ा यू शुड गो एंड अर्न, एंड हार्डशिप दीजिए, लेट हिम लर्न, लेट हिम नो व्हाट द हार्डशिप मीन्स। जब इंसान खुद हार्डशिप करना शुरू करता है ना, तो वो उस चीज के पीछे भागता है जो सबसे आसान उसको लगता था। और सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो है ना पढ़ाई टफ मानते हैं, बट पढ़ाई से आसान कुछ नहीं। जैसे ही इनको उठाकर चाहे इन्हें मूव किया जाए कि आप हार्डशिप जाओ, अर्न ब्रेड एंड बटर, देन व्हाट हैपन, वही मैं बोल रहा था कि पेरेंट्स को बच्चा बनाना पड़ेगा और बच्चों को पेरेंट्स बनाना पड़ेगा। व्हाट विल हैपन, कहीं ना कहीं सर्कल चेंज करेगा। और इस चीज
रोल प्ले करो, रोल प्ले, बिल्कुल
गिव अकाउंटेबिलिटी कि फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 month इन दिस COVID-19 यू आर होल एंड सोल रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू अर्न ब्रेड एंड बटर फॉर योरसेल्फ। आप घर रहो, आपको हम घर में रख रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है, आप हमारे अपने हो, आई एम वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट। देखो क्या करता है भाई, पैसा तो कमाना पड़ेगा ना, गलत चीज ना करे, लेट हिम डू, तब समझ में आएगा कि घर में बैठना और पढ़ना कितना आसान चीज है और लाइफ कैसे ग्रो कर सकता है। शायद मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन
well said.
Okay, we have a question here which says that students are very much addicted to games on mobile. How do we help them to come out of it?
yes.
Vivek, would you want to start answering since you're talking about the strictness?
स्ट्रिक्टनेस के लिए व्हाट विल बी द बेस्ट वे टू रिमूव द माइंड? हाँ, मतलब क्या क्वेश्चन फिर से एक बार मुझे रिपीट करो, मुझे क्वेश्चन नहीं दिखा।
Chat box, अच्छा, you can't see. We see students too much addicted to games on mobile. How do we help them to come out of it?
यस ये तो सबसे नॉर्मल चीज है। जितने भी स्टूडेंट हैं, जितने भी पेरेंट्स हैं, सबसे पहली चीज, अगर आपको कोई अपने दोस्त वाले पेरेंट्स मिले कि अरे यार बताओ, देखो हर एज के लिए मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, मेरा बच्चा इतना तेज है कि इतना छोटा सा ही उम्र में ना वो ऐप समझ लेता है, वो मोबाइल पे हर एक चीज कर लेता है, एक्स कर लेता है, वाई जेड कर लेता है। आप भी बोलो बहुत बढ़िया, आप भी तेज थे, आपका बच्चा, क्योंकि जनरेशन तो और तेज होगा। बट उसे आप बोलो अच्छा एक काम करना, कल अपने बच्चे को क्या करना, अपने मोबाइल में से बैटरी निकाल देना, मोबाइल का कवर निकाल देना, सारा चीज निकाल देना, और उसमें से सिम कार्ड भी निकाल देना, टेबल पे रख देना और छोड़ देना, और लेट हिम वर्क कि वो मोबाइल को फिर से फिक्स करे, फिर से बैटरी डाले, फिर से उसमें सिम डाले, नेटवर्क से कनेक्ट करे, रिचार्ज मत करना, लेट हिम नो कि रिचार्ज कैसे होता है। ये छोटे बच्चों के लिए कि जो जिनका बच्चा बहुत तेज है, जो मोबाइल पे सारा गेम खेल लेता है, सारा चीज कर लेता है, फॉर देम दिस इज द सजेशन कि एक दिन वो करके देखो कितने दिन में वो सीखता है। व्हाई आई एम सेइंग अच्छी बात है, ही इज हैविंग क्रिएटिविटी ऑफ लर्निंग एप्स, लेकिन यू शुड नो द हार्डवेयर थिंग्स ऑफ इट। आपको प्रैक्टिकल चीज क्या होता है उसके पीछे यू शुड नो, और इस चीज को हम मिस करते हैं और वो लॉन्ग टाइम तक कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हैं। तो जब उसे पता रहेगा कि इसको बिल्डअप कैसे किए, कनेक्ट कैसे किए, नेटवर्क कैसे आया, रिचार्ज, लेट हिम लर्न। नहीं लर्न कर सकता है तो कहाँ से गेम खेलेगा। सेकेंड थिंग, जो बच्चे गेम खेल रहे हैं दैट्स वेरी गुड, कोई बात नहीं, गेम खेलो, लेकिन आप टिंकरली में देख रहे होंगे कि आपको बहुत सारे DIY किट्स, मैं तो ये बोल ही नहीं रहा कि आप हमारे DIY किट्स लो, और ये उन्हें हर दिन एक सुबह उठकर सवाल दे दो, एक ऐसा सवाल दो ढूंढकर जिसमें वो मोबाइल भी यूज करें। IITs चाहे IIMs में क्या होता है मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ओपन बुक एग्जाम होता है। ओपन बुक एग्जाम का मतलब है कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट उसमें पास नहीं करेगा। सारे स्टूडेंट जो है अपने आप को सबसे तेज मानते हैं, और जैसे स्टूडेंट टीचर आके पूछता है डिफाइन लॉज ऑफ मोशन, सारे फेल हो जाते हैं उसमें। रीजन इसमें वो ये बोलता है कि आप अपना मोबाइल भी ले लो, बुक भी ले लो, नोट्स भी ले लो, जितना चीटिंग करना चाहते हो सबको बुला लो, फैमिली को भी बुला लो और बगल में बैठा लो, और ये रहा मेरा सवाल। ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिख देता है, 2 घंटा दे देता है, एक ही सवाल होता है, 30 नंबर का होता है, और वो चला जाता है। और वो ही ओपनली गिव्स, IIM हो या IIT हो, एक्सेल हो, चाहे बाहर की यूनिवर्सिटीज हो, आप जितना गूगल करना चाहते हो कर लो, आंसर ले आओगे, पास करोगे, नहीं करोगे दैट्स ओके। और वो सवाल भी बहुत सिंपल सा होता है, लेकिन वो सवाल का आंसर तभी होगा जब आप हर दिन उसके लेक्चर को सुने थे, बुक को समझे थे, किस उस बुक का नाम उसने दिया, आपने उस चीज हर एक पहलू को समझी थी। तो उसी तरह यू शुड ऑल्सो गिव वन बेसिक सिंपल एक लाइनर क्वेश्चन है। अगर आपके पास 1 लाइनर क्वेश्चन नहीं आ पाता, यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी, मैं आपको हमेशा हर दिन के लिए 1 लाइनर क्वेश्चन हर एक एज के बच्चों के लिए दे सकता हूँ, जिसमें वो इंगेज रहे, वो मोबाइल भी यूज करे, गेम भी खेलें, लेकिन 1 लाइनर आंसर तो जरूर दें। थर्ड थिंग, यू विल बी हैप्पी टू नो कि उन्हें मोबाइल यूज करने दो, ना नहीं बोलना चाहिए। आज के एज में बच्चों को ना नहीं बोलना चाहिए, जितना ना बोलोगे उतना ही वो काम करेंगे, इसलिए उन्हें बोलो खूब करो, लेट देम एंजॉय, खूब करो, जितना कर सकते हो करो, आंख खराब करो, सर खराब करो, सब खराब कर लो, एक दिन फाइनली घूम के तुम आओगे वापस जहां यू विल हैव टू लर्न द प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट। आपको मोबाइल को कैसे ब्यूटीफुल वे में यूज करना है, कैसे आप उससे गूगल करके टॉपिक समझ सकते हो, कैसे आप आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कर सकते हो, कैसे उसको पॉजिटिव वे में यूज कर सकते हो, ये सब देखना होगा। क्योंकि एक कंडीशन डाल दो ना, मोबाइल यूज, आज तुम 24/7 मोबाइल यूज करना। आज घर में करेले की सब्जी बनी है और करेले का जूस है, ये पहले पी लो एंड ये सब्जी खा लो। 24/7 आज तुमको कोई पढ़ने के लिए नहीं बोलेगा। कल लौकी की सब्जी बनी है, लौकी का जूस है, ये है, दिन भर टीवी देखो, कोई तुमको कुछ नहीं बोलेगा। Why I mean to say, जो छोटा बच्चा है उनका फिजिकल हेल्थ और मेंटल हेल्थ इन सब चीजों पे भी डिपेंड करता है। और मैं तो जितने बच्चे देखते हैं सब पिज्जा खाने में एक्सपर्ट है, बट सब्जी, रोटी, दाल, चावल ये सब नहीं खा पाते। तो ये मतलब मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, पेरेंट्स को मेरे हिसाब से बच्चा बन जाना चाहिए। लेट्स हैव टिट फॉर टैट। अगर वो ऐसा कर रहे तो हम ऐसा करेंगे। मैं ऐसे आई एम जस्ट गिविंग द वेग आंसर एनीवे।
No, I gave the lead to you because you say that you're a strict one. So all the parents here, I'm sure आपको पता लग गया होगा strict तरीके से कैसे उनको handle करना है. However, I think Vivek, you gave amazing and wonderful explanation. सारे तरीके बहुत अच्छे थे. And the one that I actually abide with is, आपका बच्चा जब भी कुछ भी करता है, आप जब भी उसको ना शब्द बोलोगे, the brain is not going to catch that word. So आपको उसको वो नहीं कराने के लिए, you will have to divert the attention to getting it done इन अ डिफरेंट वे। सोचो मोबाइल नहीं दिखाना, तो उसको एक टास्क दो, भले मोबाइल पे ही दो, कि सोचो कि आज हमने एक फैमिली एक्टिविटी की, उसमें मुझे बताओ 4 वर्ड्स कौन से थे, भले गूगल से ढूंढ के उसको जॉट डाउन करो, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल डिस्कस। तो वो 4 वर्ड ढूंढने में लग जाएगा, उसके बाद जब उसने 4 वर्ड लिख लिए तो आप डिस्कशन में करोगे, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप फोन से उसको अपनी पर्सनल विंडो पे ले आए जहां पे आप और वो बात कर रहे हो, वहां से उसको किसी स्पोर्ट पे ले जाओ, वहां पे उसको कहीं वॉक कराने ले जाओ, वॉक तो अभी कहीं नहीं जा सकते, so go into some activity inside the house, could be drawing, could be paper cutting, could be anything. So उस दौरान से उस फोन से एकदम से डाइवर्जन मत लो, उधर से ही एक्टिविटी शुरू करो और उससे उसको दूर ले जाओ. So that is the best way to play around.
खाने पीने के मामले में ये ध्यान रखना, क्योंकि मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ, यही देश के भविष्य है, और आज से अगर अपनी आंख खराब करेंगे, कान खराब करेंगे, और ये कितना भी आप अच्छा मान लो, मैं बोल सकता हूँ ठीक है मोबाइल, टीवी सब अच्छा है, बट कहीं ना कहीं ये जाकर साइकोलॉजिकल स्ट्रेस नेगेटिव दे या पॉजिटिव देगा, ठीक है। उनको रेडियो दे दो, लेट मूव बैक, रेडियो दो, थोड़ा BBC, डॉर्शल वैली, आकाशवाणी सुने, कुछ तो डिफरेंस आएगा, उनको रेडियो बनाने को दो। बट एनीवेज मेरा कहना है लाइफ में थोड़ा उसको पॉजिटिवली मोल्ड करो, छीन नहीं सकते हो, कभी छीनना नहीं, कभी ना नहीं बोलना, बट एक कंडीशन दो कि आज भाई तुम 3 गिलास लौकी का जूस पियोगे, आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी। तुम दिन भर मोबाइल यूज करते रहना, कोई इशू नहीं। तो उसको समझ में आएगा कि हर दिन एक कंडीशन दिया जा रहा है मेरे को। और जो भी आपके पेरेंट्स या सर्कल में बोले बहुत तेज है, तो बोलो बहुत तेज है, अच्छी बात है, बट कल से ये भी करो, लेट हिम लर्न मोबाइल कैसे फिक्स करते हैं, टीवी का सारा तार निकाल दो। आज के डेट में तो सारा चीज ही अलग आता है, और वो कर लेंगे। मैं ये भी बोल रहा हूँ 2 दिन में कर लेंगे। तो उनको मतलब आपको आप बच्चे हो, दे आर ओल्डर, तो आपको उनके हिसाब से बड़ा होना है, ना कि उनको आपके हिसाब से बड़ा होना है। ये थोड़ा सोच लो और उस हिसाब से काम करो, तो हैप्पी एंड हैप्पी फैमिली रहेगा। किसी ने फेसबुक पे पूछा है कि by Ashna Wahid, and she is a scholar from Jamna. How to handle the pressure when we change the stream? Also, how should we try to excel in that?
Again, प्रेशर तो तब था जब आप उस स्ट्रीम में थे जो आपको नहीं चाहिए थी. द मोमेंट यू चेंज द स्ट्रीम, प्रेशर तो वहीं पे खत्म हो गया. So now you don't need to take the pressure. Now you're doing what you love to do. Now you're taken a stream which interests you, which is got the skills जो आपके अंदर हैं. So right now, pressure, the moment you've changed the stream, the moment you have taken the decision that this particular stream was not working, now this one is going to work. That particular moment, the entire pressure is over. Secondly, pressure है क्या? जिस चीज में हमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, वो चीज हमें प्रेशर देती है. भले वो लौकी का जूस पीना हो या करेले का जूस पीना हो, या वी नीड टू टेक एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट एज इंटरेस्ट जो हमारा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. अगर हमें कोई भी चीज जबरदस्ती हमसे कराई जाती है, दैट गिव्स अस प्रेशर. सो उस प्रेशर को कम करने के लिए यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट इट. एंड यू नो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, लाइफ में जैसा हम प्लान करते हैं वैसा नहीं होता. लेट्स टेक इट लाइक दिस. लाइफ में आगे जाके लोग भी होंगे जो आपके तरीके के नहीं होंगे, सिचुएशंस भी ऐसी आएंगी which are not going to be according to how you have wished it, but that is what is the challenge. अगर लाइफ बहुत आसान होगी तो चैलेंज लाइफ अमेजिंग सी नहीं होगी ना, राइट? अगर वो हम मीटर पे देखते हैं कि लाइफ चल रही है और वो जिंदा, जब इंसान मर जाता है तो लाइन सीधी आती है ना. why live a life which has got a line straight? The life has to be like this. Acknowledge it, accept it, and take the challenges, and that's how you will grow. That's how you will learn कि ups and downs तो आते हैं. I know I can handle it. So stream बदलने के बाद जो stream आपने ली है, just take it with your stride कि I am doing something which is going to make me see a light which I love. That is how the pressure is going to go. Pressure word को हटा दो अपने लाइफ से.
ये भी सही है. और पेरेंट्स के लिए एक और चीज है, आप इसलिए खुश मत होइए कि आपके बच्चों को बहुत आता है. लेट द किड्स शुड बी हैप्पी कि आपके उनके पेरेंट्स को बहुत आता है. ये वाला एटीट्यूड पर आप लोग सब एक्टिव हो जाओ कि हमारे पेरेंट्स को सब चीज आता है. अगर मैं झूठ बोलकर यूट्यूब पे बैठी हुई हूँ और क्लास इधर से और इधर स्क्रीन पे कुछ भी शेयर कर रही हूँ, माय पेरेंट्स नोज. अगर मैं मोबाइल पे कुछ भी कर रही हूँ, पढ़ रही हूँ कि क्या कर रही हूँ, माय पेरेंट नोज. मैं टीवी में अगर इस तरह की चीजें देख रही हूँ, माय पेरेंट नोज. तो let her feel proud कि my parents knows everything. means आपको टेक्निकली बहुत साउंड होना पड़ेगा. नहीं हुए तो माइट, आज के बच्चे बहुत चालाक हैं, वो मतलब पता नहीं कब कहाँ आपको पीछे छोड़ जाएंगे, and they won't give value for your emotions also. फिर आपको बहुत दुख होगा.
And also one thing that as parents we need to take into account is बच्चे कभी भी अगर कुछ गलत भी कर रहे होंगे, सही कर रहे होंगे, वो तो they will come and talk to us. If they are doing something that they feel that the parents are going to not like it, they will not come and tell you directly. So be as parents very smart enough to understand your children. जैसे कि पेरेंट्स हम सोचते हैं कि हम अपने बच्चों को समझते हैं, तो नाउ ट्राई एंड मेक दैट एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट टू नो कि कहाँ उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज से आपको लगता है कि कुछ गलत है. Where you need to ask, so go and ask. So communication has a strong hold, and as parents हमें communicate करना पड़ेगा जब भी हमें लगता है कि उनकी body language या उनकी tone या उनकी आवाज या उनके हमारे बात करने के तरीके से, eye contact जब बच्चा नहीं कर रहा हमसे, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ है. So make sure all of it. पेरेंट्स, बच्चे भी स्मार्ट हैं तो पेरेंट्स को भी स्मार्ट बनना पड़ेगा.
करेक्ट.
Excuse me, I have a last question.
श्योर बिंकिला.
So अर्चना मैम, as you said that कि लाइफ में जो हम डिसाइड करते हैं वो नहीं होता, तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो स्टडीज करते हैं और सिर्फ जो वो लोग स्टडीज और कॉलेज में होते हैं, दे यूज्ड टू से दैट कि एक लाइन बनाओ अपनी करियर की, सो गो एज दैट. मेरा थिंग ये है कि हमें कुछ एक आइडिया बनाना चाहिए कि वरना वी शुड जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो.
Okay, Rinkila, very good question. Good you asked it because I didn't know that I was giving this kind of a structure. मेरा लाइफ में कुछ भी जैसे हम प्लान करते हैं वैसा नहीं होता का मतलब था कि वी शुड बी रेडी कि अगर लाइफ हमने प्लान की है और वैसे हुई है सो वेल एंड गुड. अगर हमने प्लान नहीं की कि सोचो मैंने सोचा कि मेरी लाइफ एट 20 होनी चाहिए थी, 25, 30, 40, वर्क, रिलेशनशिप्स, XYZ थिंग्स, इफ दे डोंट गो एज प्लान्ड, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मेरी लाइफ इज फेल्ड. I wanted to tell you that never in life give up by the adversities it gives you. Because life में कई बार बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जो हमने expect नहीं की होती, personally, professionally, socially. So to take that into account, definitely you should be prepared for everything. So never give up in life कि आज मेरे साथ इतनी मुश्किल का time है तो I am not ready for it and I can't face it. So never give up in life. ये मतलब वो था. As far as your question is concerned, always have a streamline where you know that in my career this is what I like and this is what is my movement, right? So you should always aim and walk. Make a goal that okay, now that I'm this age, I'm in 11th and 12th, my goal is in class 12th, I should have a minimum of this percentage so I get into the college which I am desiring. गोल नहीं बनाएंगे तो लाइफ में हम कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. बट मेरा मतलब ये है कि बाय चांस आपका गोल आपके हिसाब से नहीं चल रहा, सो नेवर गिव अप इन लाइफ. बिकॉज लाइफ में वॉरियर्स कौन होते हैं? हु फाइट एवरी सिचुएशन, राइट? सो बिकम अ वॉरियर इन लाइफ एंड टेक एवरी सिचुएशन हेड ऑन.
Thank you.
Now,
Sure.
Rashmi, you have any question? Soumya Joshi. Soumya Joshi, you have any question? I think the people are not having any questions, and so now they can try out on their juniors, or they can try out on their younger ones, or they can try out on their even parents. जो बच्चे हैं अपने parents पे try कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बच्चों पे try कर लो, दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ.
हाँ जी, there is another question I feel.
हाँ बोलिए डोलामणि जी, बोलिए.
जिस नेट के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो कैसे प्रिपरेशन करने से होगा वो बोल रहा हूँ. तो कैसे पढ़ाई करने से, क्या करने से होगा वो.
इसके लिए डोलामणि जी आप एक काम करिए, मैं इस पे अपना मेल आईडी लिखता हूँ. कैसे पढ़ाई करना है, कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, ये तो मैं आपको गाइड कर दूंगा. ये मेरा मेल आईडी है, इस पे मेल आपको करना आता है. मेल ये दिखा आपको मेरा मेल आईडी?
सर यस सर.
आप सॉरी, मैंने दूसरे को भेज दिया. रुकिए एक सेकंड. ये मेल आईडी दिखा?
हाँ सर.
हाँ, इस मेल आईडी पे आप मेल कर लीजिएगा तो हम ये तो एटलीस्ट गाइड कर लेंगे कि आप पढ़ो कैसे. और दूसरी जितने लोग हैं उन सबको एक मेल जाएगा. सबको मेरे हिसाब से MBTI टेस्ट देना चाहिए. पेरेंट्स को खासकर, बच्चे देना दें, वो तो बेचारे जब पेरेंट्स देंगे तो बच्चे दे ही देंगे, बट लेकिन पेरेंट्स जरूर दें.
बच्चों को भी देना चाहिए, पेरेंट्स को भी देना चाहिए. और जो सुन रहे हैं, जस्ट टेक दिस टेस्ट बिकॉज द थिंग इज उसमें एक सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन, क्लैरिटी आ जाती है कि कौन से करियर मेरे लिए अच्छे होंगे, कौन सा मेरे अंदर क्या है जो अच्छा है. कई बार हमारे पेरेंट्स भी नहीं बता पाते. एंड बिलीव मी, आई फील द सेम. मैं भी करती हूँ, मैं अपनी बेटी का भी करती हूँ. एंड इट इज डन ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. 1-2 साल में एक बार हम कर लेते हैं.
ठीक है, तो ये
हेल्प्स.
MBTI टेस्ट होगी, जिसका लिंक हम आपको अभी जो मेल वगैरह जाएगा इसमें हम आपको इन डिटेल दे देंगे. एंड जिन्होंने रजिस्टर किया था फॉर जूम, उन सबको तो चला ही जाएगा और बाकियों को भी अवेयर हो जाएगा. तो थैंक्स सब ऑल पीपल हु आर हियर, हु लिसन टू अस, एंड होप कि हम लोग नेक्स्ट सेशन में मिलें. एंड नेक्स्ट सेशन वी विल हैव दमदार सेशन ऑन यू कैन आस्क लॉट मेनी क्वेश्चंस विद योर किड्स. आप अपने बच्चे को भी लेके आए और उन्हें भी पूछने दें. पेरेंट्स और बच्चे दोनों साथ बैठे, देन इट विल बी अ वेरी गुड कोल्ड वॉर बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम कि वो खुल.
आई नो देयर इज गोइंग टू बी लॉट ऑफ साइलेंस. और जब साइलेंस टूटेगी तो दोनों तरफ से बॉम्ब गिर रहे होंगे.
हाँ, यहाँ सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर होगा पेरेंट्स एंड विद स्टूडेंट्स. एक बार बच्चे
वीरेंद्र जी, आप अपने बेटे को भी ला सकते हैं उसमें. आप म्यूट पे.
Yeah, sorry. He just was sitting with me.
अच्छा.
Actually, the session was different, so he went away from here. He was with me. Yeah. Thank you.
Before we leave, we can have a group picture. So everybody smile and I'm clicking.
Okay.
All of you can put your screens on.
Yeah, सबने ब्रश किया है, correct.
Of course.
All right. Everybody, yes. Smile. Yes. Thank you.
Once again, thank you,
Thank you.
sir,
Keep
and thank you, ma'am.
smiling. Thank you,
Yeah.
Virender ji. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We really appreciate.